Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. The popularity of Airbnb. The diverse lodging options, competitive rates, and easy-to-use platform all contribute to the company's success, apparent through its rapid growth. According to Airbnb, there are 100,000 cities with active listings located in more than 220 countries and regions as of September 2020. One interest in short-term rentals and home sharing also increased in 2020 with the need for working from home and more people becoming digital nomads while many offices were shut. Airbnb allows travelers the opportunity to experience an area as a local and often grants more privacy than hotels can offer. Many guests are drawn to the unique accommodations available, such as tiny houses, boats, castles, yurts, and tree houses. Airbnb is often a budget-friendly option as housing costs can be split among groups and kitchen access can help cut dining expenses. The opportunity of Airbnb hosting. According to data from Airbnb, hosts have earned a total of more than $110 billion through the platform as of October 2020. The company estimates average annual earnings for a host to be $7,900. Data from lending company Earnest placed the average monthly income for an Airbnb host at $924 and the median monthly income at $440. The company reported a broad range of host earnings, with some bringing in more than $10,000 a month and others less than $200. How Airbnb hosting works. Creating a listing is the first step to getting started on Airbnb. We'll go into more detail later about how to make your listing stand out, but you'll want to include all basic information, have great, well-lit photos that showcase the space, and emphasize what makes your spot unique. You decide how much to charge your listing and can vary your rates based on the day of the week or time of year. The platform offers an optional smart pricing tool that automatically adjusts your listings rates based on demand in your area, seasonality, and other factors. While posting a listing on Airbnb is free, once a reservation is made, the company charges hosts a 3 to 5% service fee. Airbnb offers a host guarantee that may provide up to $1 million in property damage protection, as well as host protection insurance, a liability insurance program that may provide up to $1 million in liability coverage. Some countries and programs are exempt from coverage. You may want to purchase additional insurance. Home insurers have various rules regarding short-term rentals and what they will or won't cover. Some insurers offer specialized policies for short-term rentals. Check with your insurance company before hosting to make sure you understand your policy. Do you have time to host? Creating a successful Airbnb hosting business takes effort. In addition to responding quickly to booking inquiries, you'll need to be available to answer any questions guests might have during their stay. Cleaning the space in between reservations and making any necessary repairs can also be time-consuming. You can always subcontract cleaning and maintenance duties if the extra cost is worth it to you to alleviate some of your hosting duties. Steps to starting a successful Airbnb business. We'll discuss what you can do as a host to make your Airbnb business more successful. Having an inviting description, well-staged photos, and a high host rating can all help to make your listing more appealing to potential guests. Prepare your Airbnb listing. A good listing includes accurate descriptions and basic details about all of the space's important information, how many rooms and bathrooms there are, what amenities will be available to the guest, and what's nearby the property. Give specifics on things that will affect guests like stairs and parking, and be upfront and honest about any quirks your place may have. Think about what it is that sets your listing apart from others and include that in your listing title. Is it walking distance from downtown, or is there a huge yard? You'll want high-quality photos of your listing, so make sure that your space is clean before photographing and include pictures of each area. Try to use natural lighting or add professional lighting if the space is darker, and take the photos with landscape orientation. Extra touches like providing local snacks or a bottle of wine can help to make a guest feel welcomed. Ask guests in advance if they're celebrating a special occasion during their stay. Hanging up a congratulatory banner can help to set a festive mood. Grow your business. Once you become familiar with hosting on Airbnb and find a routine that works with your lifestyle, you can expand your hosting into a full-time venture. Depending on your goals, you could even continue to grow your business by adding more properties, adjusting your hosting approach to cater to each individual listing. Hosting with Airbnb provides an opportunity to create additional income on your own terms with space that may otherwise have been sitting empty. The platform allows hosts to customize the situation with conditions that best meet their needs and expectations. It's up to each host to take the growth of their business into their own hands, keeping it as a part-time hustle or expanding the venture to earn more income. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.